What is the best way to buy crypto on Binance? In this video, we are going to discuss in depth all the pros and cons of the main payment methods on the largest crypto exchange. It's important that you watch the whole video so that you can make the most informed decision and save money. By the way, if you still don't have a Binance account, sign up with the link in the description to get a lifetime 10% discount off your trading fees. Let's start with the key benefits of buying with credit/debit card. You can use both Visa and MasterCard to buy over 50 cryptocurrencies instantly. If you wish, that card can also be saved to make future purchases even faster. One thing to note is that the card must be in your name. This is definitely the most convenient and fastest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Be aware that Binance usually charges 3% when you pay with this method. Sometimes there are promos that reduce this amount down to 1%, so always keep an eye on the current promos on the Binance homepage. Speaking of promos, let's talk about our second method, bank transfer. Binance now has a great promo with zero fees for bank deposits till the end of July 2021 for Euro and British Pound. Besides being cheaper, you can also buy higher amounts with bank transfer. The only downside is that it might take from 1 to 3 days to process your bank deposit. Identity verification is important in order to increase your purchase limits. It's a quick process that should not take more than a few minutes. I also want to talk about a bonus third option that is available almost anywhere: peer-to-peer. There are a few countries like China or Venezuela that the only available option is to use peer-to-peer transactions. So if Binance does not offer credit card or bank transfer for your specific country, don't be discouraged, because Binance P2P is a really powerful tool and can offer very good rates. Actually, my favorite method for buying and selling crypto is P2P, because there are no fees, it's very fast, and you can even bypass crypto bans. But it does take a little more work to set up in the beginning, and it's not as beginner friendly like with card or bank transfer. So in conclusion, card purchases are convenient, while bank transfers are cheaper and allow higher transactions. Honorable mention to P2P as a viable alternative, taking longer to set up and not as beginner friendly, but probably the best long-term fiat to crypto method globally. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite payment method, and if you would like to see a step-by-step P2P tutorial for the Binance exchange. If you need a quick tutorial on how to buy crypto with credit card on Binance, it will show up now by the end of this video. First step, sign up with the referral link in the description to get a verified 10% discount on your trading fees for life. Once you set up your account, you will need to verify your identity. It's a quick process that should not take more than a few minutes. Once you're verified, mouse over Buy Crypto and select your currency. You can use credit or debit card, bank transfer, and other methods depending on your country. Type in the amount you want to buy and which cryptocurrency. Then simply complete the purchase and your crypto will appear in your spot wallet. If your national currency does not have direct pair, simply buy Bitcoin first and then trade it. Likewise, if you already have cryptocurrencies, you can deposit them directly on Binance. Don't forget to sign up with the referral link below to get a lifetime 10% discount on your trading fees. US users specifically should go to their sister exchange called Binance US. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.